How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, all what you want to do now is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram. Click on Instagram and then click on the data usage right here and enable all these options. Go back, and now all what you want to do next is go into the permissions here and enable every single permission. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. By the way, all these apps data will be deleted. This includes all files and settings and accounts and databases, etc. Click delete, go back into the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds and disable it.